Show me how many.
Miss
आज हम जाने वाले हैं एक वाटरफॉल पे। अलग ही अतरंगी अतरंगी डिवाइस लाती रहती है, चाइना से मंगाती है। It's time to take you guys inside the water. हेलो एवरीवन, तो हम लोग आ चुके हैं अपने नए एडवेंचर के लिए और आज हम जाने वाले हैं एक वाटरफॉल पे। वाटरफॉल पे जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे हम कैंपिंग भी करेंगे रात को। इस वीकेंड जो मौसम है वो ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है, आज भी बहुत विंडी डे है और कल बारिश होने वाली है, इसलिए हम कहीं और प्लान नहीं कर पाए। आज का दिन है हमारे पास एंजॉय करने के लिए, इसलिए हम वाटरफॉल एंजॉय करेंगे। जबकि ठंड है आज, लेकिन फिर भी मैं जाना चाहता हूँ यार उस वाटरफॉल में। रास्ते में हम जा रहे थे तब इसने पता लगाया कि यहाँ पे कुछ फ्रूट्स है जो हम पिक कर सकते हैं, तो ये वो फ्रूट तोड़ रही है। चलो देखते हैं भाई। What are these fruits?
Loquat.
Loquat.
Yes.
Are they sweet?
Yes. It's very good.
How did you get to know about this?
Red passed by another day.
So you just passed by another day and you thought of picking them up?
Yes.
Look at this new device. अलग ही अतरंगी अतरंगी डिवाइस लाती रहती है, चाइना से मंगाती है और बस देखो। तो ये डिवाइस एक तरीके से काफी ऊंची हाइट तक जाके आपके लिए फ्रूट्स तोड़ सकता है। ये देखो, ready? You don't know how to use it. Well, you bought it. People are watching you. Ah, seems like Chinese products are not reliable. Show me how many.
Miss
Loquats.
Loquat.
Loquat. How many did you get? Show me. What? Will you be able to finish all of these before they get bad?
Of course. I can finish it before we reach here.
Before we reach
Yeah.
home?
No.
Then?
Before we... Hey, this goes bad.
Okay. So we have reached Thames now and we are stopping here for our breakfast. What kind of breakfast are we having today?
Oh, having a lot. Pie, donut pie, sandwich. Is something.
All right, start with it.
Boss said that's it, so no shooting, people. Do as what he wants, or else what? He'll beat you. Bye bye.
What?
You're going to jump in water. Do it again.
First, you show me what I did.
I'm going to jump in water.
Show me your face. Let me see.
No.
Let me see
No.
what I did. How would I know?
Oh, it's beautiful out there. What to do?
I'll go and I'll jump in the water.
Wow, so many people fishing. Why are you closing the window?
Paraunai.
What does that mean?
That's the name of this beach. Paraunai. We have traveled so much in this country that sometimes we don't even remember if we have been here.
Exactly.
Only when we see some spots, that's when we realize, oh, we have actually been here.
Yeah, Captain Zombie traveled a lot.
See? Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Very busy for Captain Zombie. So, if the water is really cold, are you still going to jump in?
Yes, I am still going to jump in because I've already promised my viewers that today our trip is all about waterfall, going inside it. What's the point of just shooting the waterfall? I'm going to go inside the water, take the camera inside the water and shoot for them.
You can just simply cut that recording.
I don't want to. Some promises that I make, I still keep them.
Okay.
Look at that. We have reached the Waiau Falls. It's just a 3 minutes walk in the jungle. It's really windy.
I know, don't do it.
You feeling cold?
Yeah.
I'll fucking jump. I will jump in the waterfall.
Did it lock the car?
Yeah, we need to take the gear as well for this. I'm going to take this in the water. Let's get that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, the water case.
Where is it?
Ah, thank God it's between the jungle, so it's at least not windy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, that's true.
And that's the waterproof gear for our camera. Shows. I'll try to go inside the water with this. Let's go. Hey. Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Look at that.
Yeah. It's a swimming pool.
Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Woohoo! Amazing! That's amazing! Look at this! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! I'm going in.
Go. Water is so blue.
That's true. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Go. Oh, it's getting crazy forward. Come!
Huh?
You should come inside! It's
Me?
amazing!
Is it cold?
So good! It's time to take you guys inside the water! As I promised to you! It's really slippery! Oh. मजा आ गया। ओ भाई वाह भाई, क्या ही कमाल का मजा है यार। ठंडा ठंडा पानी और ये खूबसूरत नजारा। ऐसा कमाल का एड्रेनलिन रश मिल रहा है ना यार। So much fun! What an amazing experience.
Yeah, people are wearing thick jackets and you just jump in.
Water was really cold. My head is still spinning.
Let's take a rest then.
Yeah, so now our campsite is just 17 minutes away. And 8.3 kilometers. So let's go to our campsite and we'll be coming live from there then. See you.